Hi guys, do you remember all our brains? Yeah? Can you tell me what brain this one is and the action? Meta thinking, well done. That one is creating, good job. And this here? Realizing. That one? Good, linking. And last? Analyzing, well done. Today, what do we read? Kids Conquer Game. Right, first of all, we have to practice our sounds and the tricky words. You do that by clicking that triangle and clicking that triangle. Now I've got two sample slides for you to show how to do it. You remember, you always read the purple and the red words, all right? Was late autumn. Family were having walk woods. And then we have a really nice game. All right, you go here, you click the button, and it will show you some letters. Now this is it. Now we have to decide whatever it shows, whether it's a real word or not a real word. So this says, blend with me, help me. Sit. Sit. Is it a real word? I think so. Right. Gonna click here and then, yay, Miss got a nut. Very well. Now you continue. All right, your turn. Bye.